Hey everyone, just a short video, but I promised I would put something up today. If you've been following my build of the Rebel Rogue One helmet, you know I've been building two, one for me to keep, which I now have in my collection, and this one. This one can be in, or could be in your collection. And the only thing you need to do is enter the raffle. I'm putting a raffle together. The link is down below. All you need to do is pay £1. Your name will be entered into the raffle, and then that raffle will be drawn, and hopefully you could have your chance of owning this Rogue One helmet, which costs around £300 for me to build, not including my time, etc. So the raffle there and the money made is, no, I'm not doing this to make a living. It's purely going to be there to allow me to recoup some of my costs, but also buy new tools, new things to then build future projects so I can then create more content for you guys to watch. So all I'm asking is for £1. You can enter as many times as you want if you want to have more chances of getting your hands on this. But for £1, enter the draw, and this could be yours if your name is drawn from the hat. I'll do the draw live. That will be streamed live on the YouTube channel. You'll see which name will come up, and this could be yours. So link down below, enter the draw for £1 only, and have your chance of winning this Rogue One Rebel helmet.